Today, we are going to start our sixth chapter, Directing, part 55, Introduction and Meaning of Direction. In this chapter, we are going to study about meaning of directing, elements of directing, motivation, financial and non-financial incentives, leadership, communication, etc. are the important points we are going to study in this chapter. Now we can go to the introduction of directing. In addition to planning, organizing and staffing, every manager must also direct his subordinates. Directing is an important managerial function which initiate organizers action. It is concerned with managing the members of the organization. Directing is the managerial function that consists of those activities which are concerned directly with influencing, guiding, or supervising the subordinate in their jobs. Thus, directing is performance oriented and is the initiating function of management that activates plans and the organization. If subordinates are not properly directed, nothing can be accomplished. Direction is another important element of management. Management it is a sum total of managerial efforts which takes the organization towards the predetermined goals. It is in fact part of every managerial action. The organization does not start working till the manager gives direction, which means guiding and supervising the subordinate. To carry out the function of direction is a tough task for the manager. It involves the tackling of human beings with varied nature. It is the interpersonal phenomenon which is concerned with men in one form or the other at every level of management. Or directing refers to a process or technique of instructing, guiding, inspiring, counseling, overseeing and leading the people towards the accomplishment of organizational goals. It is a continuous managerial process that goes on throughout the life of the organization. Introduction part. Management functions include planning, organizing, staffing, and controlling. But implementation of decisions taken by managers is done by direction only. Decisions taken as per direction. The function of direction is to get the cooperation of people. Achievement of business objective is not possible. Directing includes supervision, giving orders and instructions, and providing active leadership to the subordinates. The efficiency of employees in business depends upon direction. If the directing person is efficient, then an ordinary employee will give the best result. While the directing person is inefficient, even a good employee will not give a expected result. Thus, efficient direction is an essential part of the management function of direction, and providing guidance to the business unit is like making a strategy for the war. It includes tools, materials, and use of manpower. The points at which special efforts are to be concentrated, the matter of complexity of economy and continuity of business should be considered, whereas it also includes moral and formal responsibilities of giving order. From this introduction part, we can understand directing function of management refers to the process of instructing, guiding, counseling, motivating, and leading people in the organization to achieve its objectives. It is one of the key managerial functions performed by every manager. What is directing function of management? It refers to the process of instructing, guiding, counseling, motivating, and leading people in the organization to achieve its objective. The process of directing involves guiding, coaching, instructing, motivating, leading the people in an organization to achieve organizational objective. It is formal as well as moral responsibility of giving order. And this directing process can make a person efficient and inefficient. So effective management and efficient manager can make a organization into a successful one. Directing is the heart of the managerial function. Directing is considered as very important for other management function. So directing is considered as the heart of the management function. All other functions of management such as planning, organizing and staffing have no importance without directing. Leadership, motivation, supervision, communication are various aspects of directing. Meaning of directing. In general terms, direction means to guide the workers, make them aware of the work, supervise them, and to maintain their enthusiasm for the work. Directing initiate action and it is from actual work starts. Direction is said to be consisting of human factors. In simple words, it can be described as providing guidance to workers is doing work. In field of management, direction is said to be all those activities which are designed to encourage the subordinates to work effectively and efficiently. According to Hume, directing consists of process or technique by which instruction can be issued and operations can be carried out as originally planned. Therefore, directing is the function of guiding, inspiring, overseeing, and instructing people towards accomplishment of organizational goals. And guidance given to the workers for the accomplishment of objectives is direction. Guidance given to the workers for the accomplishment or achievement of the objective or goal of the organization through direction. According to Coons and O'Donnell, direction is the executive function of guiding, overseeing subordinate. According to Coons and O'Donnell, direction is the executive function of guiding and observing subordinate. It is the official function, officers level function to supervise, observe, and guide, instruct subordinate. Direction is the function of management which gives orders and supervises the subordinates for the accomplishment of predetermined objectives. Some more definition about direction given by eminent authors will be helpful in understanding its meaning clearly. Directing concerns is the total manner in which a manager influences the actions of subordinate. It is the final action of a manager in getting others to act after all preparations have been completed. It is said by Joseph Massey. And another definition by Coons and O'Donnell, direction is the impersonal aspect of managing by which subordinates are led to understand and contribute effectively and efficiently to the attainment of enterprise objectives. Ernest Dale said about directing, Direction is telling people what to do and seeing that they do it to the best of their ability. It includes making assignments, corresponding procedures, seeing that mistakes are corrected, providing on job instructions, and of course issuing orders. S.S. Chatterjee said about direction, direction is the sum total of managerial efforts that are applied for guiding and inspiring the working teams to make a better accomplishment in the organization. So in simple words, we can understand from all these definition, directing initiate action in the organization according to certain predefined standards, rules, and regulations. It is concerned with the mobilization of the human efforts and human resource to achieve certain goals in a definite time period.